Do you want to know how to say to go out with someone? There is a Spanish phrase that you need. Also, this same phrase has other meanings. The phrase is salir con, salir con. This phrase has quite a few meanings. It means to go out with someone romantically, of course, to date someone, and also to go out socially with someone. There's more. It also means to leave a place with someone. So this could be a literal phrase, salir con, or it could have other meanings like, as I mentioned, to go out with someone romantically or to date and so on. So let's break this down. Salir means to go out. That is a verb, and it's commonly used in Spanish, of course. Salir means just to go out or to get out. Con means with. So to go out with. So this meaning over here is very literal, but let's see how you can use this phrase in all those situations where it means all of that. So the first example is, ¿Quieres salir conmigo? ¿Quieres salir conmigo? This is a great question that you can ask if you want to go out or if you want to ask someone out, rather. So this means, do you want to go out with me? You can use this question if you want to go out romantically with someone. Maybe you want to go out and eat some romantic dinner, or maybe you want to go to the movies and watch a movie together. So you can ask this question just to let the person know that you're interested romantically. And essentially, you're just asking, do you want to go out with me? So let's break this down. ¿Quieres? ¿Quieres? ¿Tú quieres? We don't need tú, but you can say quieres. And that means, do you want? It's informal, of course. And you can use this word if you want to ask, I don't know, like if someone wants something. It could be food. It could be, in this situation, to go out somewhere. So quieres just means, do you want something? Salir, we have the phrase we're learning today. Salir conmigo. Okay? Salir conmigo means to go out with me. When you say quieres, by the way, let's include to. Do you want to do something? You can change, obviously, this part in, say, for example, you can replace this verb with another one in the infinitive form. You can say, ¿Quieres comer? Do you want to eat? ¿Quieres dormir? Do you want to sleep? So, ¿quieres is great, just to say, do you want to do something? Anyways, salir conmigo, that's what we're learning right now. Salir, you know the meaning of salir, right? And the only thing I need to let you know is the word conmigo, because essentially we have salir con, but then we have this, right? Conmigo means with me in Spanish, with me. So if you want to say with me in Spanish, you can say conmigo, okay? And it's one word. In this example, salir con means to go out with someone romantically, okay? Now, let's see another example when salir conmigo means to date someone. The next example is, estoy saliendo con Miguel. Estoy saliendo con Miguel. This means I'm dating Miguel. Okay, so you're saying that you are just dating this guy, Miguel. So Let's break this down. Estoy, estoy, yo estoy. You can say yo, of course, but remember, we don't say subject pronouns or personal pronouns all the time in Spanish. So estoy, you can say just the conjugated verb, and estoy means I am. Okay? Saliendo con. This is the phrase that we're learning right now. Saliendo con, dating. Saliendo is the gerund of the verb salir. And then we have con. Con stays the same. So saliendo con, dating. And then we have Miguel. Miguel is Miguel. So it's the same name. So I know that Miguel can translate as Michael in English, so it's similar to that name. Or you can just say Miguel, of course. Miguel can be just Miguel. So in this situation, in this example, salir con means to date someone. Let's look at another example using salir con when it means to go out socially with someone. So we're not talking about anything romantic. We're talking about going out with your friends. So the next example is salgo con mis amigos los sábados. Salgo con mis amigos los sábados. This means I go out with my friends on Saturdays or every Saturday. That's what you do, right? I mean, not you, but in this example, this person, that's what they do. Salgo con, it's right there. Salgo con, this is the verb salir, conjugated, of course. Salgo con means I go out with someone, right? In this situation, my amigos, friends. And then we have los. In this situation, los is similar to on, even though it's not a literal translation. When talking about habits and things that people do regularly, and you want to say what days, you can just say los, and then the day of the week. Los lunes, los martes, los miércoles, los jueves, los viernes, los sábados, los domingos. So you can do that in Spanish. Los, in this situation, is similar to on. Okay? And then we have sábados. Sábados means Saturdays. Okay? So it's plural. You're talking about multiple Saturdays, of course, and you don't have to capitalize the first letter of the day of the week. In Spanish, you don't have to do that. In English, it's different. So yeah, you can just say sábados. Remember the accent mark on top of the letter A. That is important to remember. And the pronunciation sábados. 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 Okay? So, salgo con mis amigos los sábados. I go out with my friends on Saturdays. Excellent. So, in this situation, in this example, salir con means to go out socially with someone. Now, let's look at the next example, the last one, where salir con means to leave a place with someone. So we're talking about a more literal translation. You're just saying that a person went out or left a place with someone. Okay? Why with someone? Because we have con, and con means with. Let's look at this example where we're saying to leave a place with someone. Salió con su hermana de la casa. Salió con su hermana de la casa. This means he left the house with his sister. Maybe someone is asking, have you seen this guy? And you can say, sí, yes, lo vi, I saw him. Salió con su hermana de la casa. He left the house with his sister. So let's break this down. Salió con, let's include the whole phrase. Salió con means he left in with. You can say él salió. Él means he. But you can also say salió con, specifically if you said él before. But if you haven't, then you can say él salió. Salió con means he left with su, his, hermana, sister, de la. When you use salir, you can also say de, salir de. Salir de means to leave someplace, okay? So we have two words here that you can use with salir. Salió con and salió de. De just refers to the place from where the person left. Con refers to the person he left with. And de refers to the place he left. Okay, so that's something important to remember. So you need de. De la. La means the. Okay. And then casa. Casa, house. La is a definite article, feminine. And why is it feminine? Because we have a feminine noun. Okay. So, salió con su hermana de la casa means he left the house with his sister. Excellent, excellent. Now you know that salir con can mean a bunch of things. To go out with someone romantically, to date someone, to go out socially with someone, and also to literally leave a place with someone. Share more examples using this phrase, salir con. Let me know if you have any questions. Like this video if you enjoyed it, if you learned some Spanish. Thanks for watching. Te veo luego. I'll see you later. Bye. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members. Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Brianna L, Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Washti Bader, Formula Air, JSE, Alan K, James Torma, Sherry Davis, and welcome to our new Cafecito members, Rich G and Judy Baldock. Thank you to all our Cafecito members. If you want to support this channel and buy me a cup of coffee, please check out the Cafecito membership by clicking on the join button down below. Muchas gracias.